Today we read the passage. Today we read the passage number one of first year class FSA. Uh, First of all, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. FSA Part One. Student of Punjab Group of Colleges is atom. Long time ago that the matter is made up. Matter is made up of simple individual particles. Greek philosopher thought that matter could be divided into smaller and smaller. थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके पढ़ने. I repeat it again. Long time ago, it was thought that matter is made up of simple individual particles. Greek philosophers thought that matter could be divided into smaller and smaller particles to reach a basic unit, which could not be further divided, called the particle atom. Atom derived from the word atomos means individual. However, the ideas of Greek philosophers were not based on experimental evidence. In the late 17th century, the quantitative study of composition of pure substance disclosed that a few elements were the components of many different substances. It was also investigated that how elements combine to form compounds and how compounds could be broken down into their constituent elements. In 1808, an English school teacher, John Dalton, recognized that the law of conservation of matter and the law of definite proportion could be explained by existence of atom. He developed an atomic theory to the main postulate of which is that all matter is composed of atoms of different elements which differ in their properties. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which can take part in chemical reaction. For example, He and Ne etc. have atoms which have independently exist while atoms of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen do not exist independently. The modern the modern the modern research have clearly shown that an atom is further composed subatomic particles like electron, proton, neutron, hydrogen, neutrino, and neutrino. More than 100 such particles are thought that to exist in an atom. However, electron, proton, and neutron are regarded as the fundamental particles of atom. A Swedish chemist J. Brillius 1779 and 1848 determined that atomic masses of elements a number of the values are close to the modern values of atomic masses. Brillius are developed the system of giving elements a symbol.